Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to replace broken wheel stud. New wheel stud is here, guys. So how to install, I will show you. Turn little down and put in, and then you need a special tool. Now if you don't need a special tool, you can make yourself a bearing like this from take out from any pulley. This is came out from extension pulley from Honda, so I broken the pulley and I keep this one. Bit and then tight a bit tight. In now. There you go. It's perfectly in.